This is the fret wire bending jig that I've developed for our Telecaster project. I've done some modifications to it this morning, so I guess we'll call this one version 2. You'll see where I have a piece of fret wire fed into it right at this point in time, and you'll see where you can turn this wheel here, and the fret wire feeds through nice and smoothly and gives you whatever arc you've chosen to set it at. I'll just take this fret wire back out and set it aside for the moment. Now these all of the 4 wheels that you see here are all 2-inch toy wheels, probably made out of maple, and all the dowels are 3/8 of an inch. The bottom 2 wheels, go right through the outside carcass, right through this side, out through here, and out this side. And I have some washers on the back here to keep everything nice and sturdy. The top wheel travels through a large hole, probably about a 7/8 of an inch hole here, so it's not tight by any means. It's made to fit freely through there with lots of travel up and down. And then this dowel goes through holes that are cut nice and snugly in this U right here. This U-shaped piece here moves up and down according to how you adjust this adjusting bolt and these 2 wooden nuts. The wooden nuts are basically have 3/8 of an inch hex nuts set into them and Gorilla glued in place. They'll stay in there really well with the Gorilla Glue, and there's not that much pressure on them, so I have no doubt that they'll work fine that way. So this piece here can move up and down, and you'll notice where these 2 dowels, this one and the one the mate to it on the other side, fit fairly snugly through a U cut in this carrier here. This U that you'll see here, square U, these fit into it snugly, so it takes all of the lateral travel out of this. This piece can move up and down, but it can't move laterally because it'll fetch up on both sides on this. So that takes all of the lateral movement out of the carrier piece in the middle here. It's fully adjustable to any radius that you need. You can start with a wide radius and adjust it down and work through maybe a couple of passes to get the radius that you require so that it's not taking a large bend at any one time. I've tested it on one piece, seems to work fine. We'll give it a final test later on and see how things go.